Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to report your INFINIX Hot 50 Pro Plus as a lost or stolen. Alright, so let's begin. So currently I'm on the IMEI.info page. You can see it right in here, the link. And now basically all you need to do is to type your email number right in here in this bar. If you don't know how to check your email number, also on our channel we have a video when I'm describing how to check on your email number. And now once it's done, all you need to do is to click on check email. Okay, now we have our phone and also the basic information about it, but we need to scroll down a little bit until we find the basic checks free option. And now, as you can see, we have the option lost device error. So we want to click on it. Now in the email, we need to type our email. Also, we can type the second one and also the serial number, but it's not necessary. But if you want, you can type it right in here. Okay, so below we need to type the city. Okay, below the email number, you'll need it to verify your request. Okay, below the phone number. I'm just giving you an example how it can look like. Also the price. Let it be 60 bucks if someone will find it. Also the country. Below the description, describe the item or the circumstances of the loss of the device. Okay, so the description should be as more precise as you're able to describe it. So I'll just give you an example. Okay, so that's an example of the description. Okay, also below you can type our contact name. And also the incident date. But please remember to enter the date in this format. So first we need to type the year, then the month, and then the day. Okay, also below under the agreements we need to agree. You just need to simply select those small windows and now click on report lost/stolen email. Okay, and now we need to check our email. So we need to log in. Okay, we have the message from the IMEI.info and we need to simply now click on verify your request. Okay, your report has been verified. So we don't need to do anything more. And that's basically the whole process. So if you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.